Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing well. This is your English teacher. Today we shall be talking about punctuation and usage of punctuation marks. Let's watch the video for better understanding of punctuations.
Punctuation. In this module you learn about different kinds of punctuation marks. Punctuation marks are used while writing to separate sentences or part of a sentence from another. Whenever we write a new sentence, we write the first word of the sentence in capital letters. For instance, if we say, "These flowers are beautiful," which is an entirely new sentence, then here the letter T of the word "these" will be capitalized. Rahul loves painting. Here the letter R of the word Rahul is capitalized as it is a new sentence, and as per the rule, a capital letter is used at the beginning of every sentence. Also, the first letter of a proper noun is always a capital letter. Jane loves to play with toys. Here the word Jane is a proper noun, and as it is the name of a particular person, and that's why her name has been capitalized. Can you identify this punctuation mark? Well, this is a question mark or the mark of interrogation which is placed at the end of an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is used to ask questions. For example, what is Rahul doing? A question mark has been placed at the end of this sentence as it is a question statement. How many toys does Jane have? Again here the proper noun Jane has been capitalized and a question mark has been placed at the end of the sentence as it is a question statement. Why do we use a comma? Well, a comma represents the shortest pause and is used to separate words in a series of 3 or more items. For example, Rahul uses brushes, watercolors, and color palette for painting a picture. Here comma has been placed after brushes to separate the list of items used by Rahul for painting a picture. A comma is always used within a sentence and not at the end of it. Now, what is the use of this dot while writing? Well, this dot is called a full stop, which is placed to mark the end of a sentence. I love roses. This is a complete sentence and a full stop has been used to mark the end of a sentence.
Hope you have learned and enjoyed the video. This was all about punctuation marks. I shall meet you again in another video. Till then, enjoy learning. Allah Hafiz.